Hey guys, so now we're going to be doing a standing dumbbell hammer curl, okay? So basically all we're going to do here is we're going to have our elbows slightly in front of us, okay? We're going to have our thumbs in front, okay? So instead of having your elbows out like a regular curl, we're having our thumbs in front of you, okay? You're going to go up, slightly bent on the elbow, on the wrist, squeeze, down, flex the triceps, back up, okay? So you pick up your dumbbells, okay? Slightly in front, up, squeeze, down 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Flex the triceps, up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, just make sure that your elbows are right here, okay? You don't want them to go back at all. Keep them in front of you. And yeah, that's the standing hammer curl.